bro
ye dua bro say assembly na adua na say nipa binimu na adua ana football administration say hwa ball no ntimi nkoso nti yemfa abrodua nhye prekomenti ase which one
Oman say ye nyina ye nim sports stadium ma was ye na say ehwe abakosam kakra ofa nkoko sports stadium ha a champion no started oni simpe ni secretary na was started dem nkoko sports stadium 1970s ni mu na say ehwe Oko United one was no ball dem abre no na wonye kotoko na has worbo ball a honkeka oba na ehwe nde mo orokodo wo nkoko sports stadium ha Oman no say edru ho a oyirabo ho osande baby anka wo dey ye Tatan tracks say ehwe na say yakọ America tu aga na yambo enhumaden All Africa Games Olympic Games ni na yakọ yan fashion mbafi ebi a ye be dictated bi na yetiri ye ya na ya age bronze bi na the silver but gold dey na ni ngofo ya wakọ yankopon na oya Adom a 4x4 no otubi di gold bi zuma aga na yan wona nka ye be fie nsapan osande stadium yehia na yezaizi da midwuma ni na no ni na onkodie no man say make that 37 years after enye nkoko sports stadium nkotia na owo da mitibia ni mu said when to Ghana ha ya bakona yazen ni na so za aba na tibia no dem nkoko te no da man na ote wo ho sports stadium no baby a park na oda ya bobon wo
yeah
this is why Sakula Park and na baby all day anka ye
nipa gina hwe ball no
baby all day nipa gina pose ono damna a champion starting no the man ote ama anyon ro saka se na owo no ono so ni na chia kwankwa owo a se yemfa nda Sakula Park ye bobo na se ye shego na o man utimi wa hye na wanya aja anhwa na se
ebrofum
obi push wu pe na de wo akaka da me a champion ni anyon ro saka se yo ono so obetumi de praba but park na nkasa no ne kasara na ye ze du ebro no kura wa ye ya ye kwepo nyeza etutu obe
Kojo Mensa me mpese obekeka nema biene ye kasa no pe ya brufu ne konkoko park
se obi won kokko na otie yen sesi a onkoje nkoko sports stadium kinu mfi owura debra ho no nkogbe nkoko sports stadium so okko na wenye ebru a onbechimentu
owura debra ne wan
ono na ohwe nkoko sports stadium
nti ono no ahwam ye du ebru ho
o se de okko ho no
ya owura debra
weyi ni ko ho no na ho ne ye forest kwa baby o di adu ebru no na ho ye kwa nti on pede ho be ye kwa no na we twa kwa no forest no na odi adu ebru
na so owura debra na adu ebru no
ono na we du ebru no
na dia na mo kan say ye di agro say de obi anim de enkoko stadium na ada ne ebrufu
Oman says we nchire o say sia ho no no e kwa o ono bo ehwe ahokeka na nsama o kan ya se ehwe ne kasemu a wa bɔ ne ho mazuru ponyu osan na ono kɔ no na ho no ye forest
nti efoni ono anafu
ebrufu no ye ono na
it is as kana hot no de ma Ghana na so de ma national sports or the coins ebrufu sika no de coin
o say ebru no ye ono agasa na ebru
nti Oko United dey anyway
why o park no the sports stadium the osun te da yemfa Accra sports stadium example say you park na oda mfimfin ni sincha na asase na ogu ncha na nkai oda wadi bi ye tennis court na volleyball court na
ho na akoda na ebrufu no
na wadi edu ebru no na omanfo bi so asase de wore je asase ni bi nti bi no so esisi dan wo stadium na asase no do yenti owura dabra na
okay yenti de
tibia na wo mu no kra de sese kra de nsakra ya ba if mra me ba ne de na metima kasa ha de ne sese ya to na jeje mu kra se mo ba ha ya me de pa se mo ba ba mo ba ha mu so mo moa na mo fama no ntom na ban so mra mu na mo mesiesie ha mai ye ne kwa Omanhene ekotena ase wa hemfie e ma o kire me se ye behwe na mo si dan wo stadium na chi a enwo so mo si ni nyina na mra kwan so nyina ye behwe na amon letters na mo ayeden ye tuon nti ye no na mehwe anim se be den e beba ye ntuon Omanhene sadia ene ebedu mfie nu mfie nsia no stadium mo okra na wo no obi abebu kra na o se obesi ni dan wo
Ewura debra no
ono no hwe stadium no do
mentiasi o ana betima kire mu yi
Omanhene nchiremu na na yeza ma wo no se ehwe de etie na asem no se ono posesi oba npo ade no wa ye yin we siesie hopo ma wa ye kama yin
Sabia we are na ya training atete ye board boku from paying
CK Akono. We now about one Coco Sports Stadium.
Say Japan Ghana dia na say
Ghana za. A champion no starting Coco Sports Stadium. Ghana za. Or Ghana je party.
I person for no way.
So owura da bra na say oye ofi NS was na kwa wa hwehwe Sports Stadium no do.
When was the last time an cran for call?
They were ko bobo ho.
Me say last time authority nan ka say wa han say
say
it falls under Kojo Baji man. Ana National Authority. Really?
Say 18 some no kana ona ka say the bottom skampo na field na oda.
Who do bottom sika kwa inside there?
No. Omanhene wanya obi anyo.
Now the bottom sika, how can you sustain that?
Onitina say ohuna wozi nkan ko na want to man from bottom sika na wan ka say we sika kakra akran siesie no. Na o ma oho no be ye kwae a ono kwae no we bu kwae na o de edu eburu no.
Okay, jira ha uni nkoko amemfre me. Mesre mo me panipa miensa from nkoko bra ye di san komo se nkoko eye sports stadium tibia no eti se utie mi won nkoko minimpa se utie mi kwame asiedu ono group ni fire for fire mon de nkoko mabo aprobo ba bia mesre mo o man hu de ekoso number 0302 216 561 and 0302216562 Mr. Ajo won nkoko nkwa ne bitimi di san komo yi nti anto enkomo bi ko me hu diri
answer na wo be frɛ kwa bi nti nkoko fo no
yes nkoko fo no samra yo
Nkoko Sports Stadium die tibia wo mu die enye kra because se wura stadium ho sene ye ho fu ne nnua ho times na ntwie ne nazefo nyina ebedidi wo nti Nkoko Sports Stadium die no kra ni ho tibia de enye kra
o abron die se park no enchen no na se onipa no e de ye odua because na da ho na ya se kwaye na ye kwaye pa kwaye tu na sia
kwaye ni na mu abu
kwaye na yabu na dia du abu se ho be se be da ye kwaye ne de ende na se dim ye bi kakra ma ho no
twa aburo no ye be dua banche
oh da bi se pesa sase ne so da ho enti na ma e bi kakra sa wo se ne be ya so be da
na me ntia se wo sa nya kukudu ka se ese sase so e da ho ntia kudu abufu no mache apom ti sen
hello
mache apom ti sen
nyame Adom
Odini baby a free ba.
Me frefri Nkoko mi di Godsway.
Nkoko hefa.
Graceland
ne way.
Ewa adwejiri.
Okay, so mi tie o. Die na wonim fa Nkoko Stadium.
Nkoko Stadium na enye crowd, enye okọ toilet crowd, ma for toilet wo ho, mo num wi so wo ho pa.
Eye fu.
Ba cho se.
E wa dan e brufu.
Pa Sunday bia e ko bobo wo ho.
Ene ayi kwawfu ade asem ne me de mentia de ke kworo so asa bibi mentia se o meza bukaza go bika mentia se o
why na me do we bona why am dead I so do wono why dead I so
enti I don't know but good morning
boss.
Yes sir pom ti se o ka se free ye fro say
me on Nkoko me de bra Dominic no watani ata
yada mase for some motimi identify say be use mo free Nkoko so catch me Nkoko Stadium let say
masa de why bro no kra ye bo na baso because say na why kwaye na de no GFA omunye serious on niema bebre ho say me ben kwa Omanhene ka meka so onye park no emfiri GFA nsem because omumu Nkoko wo bibia mu papa no why ade pa so ode hodo aburo wo ba be hu awura be ho said ye won no baabi abubu papa ikura ba ye wabo modin ato baabi na baabi so enchensen ene ye de aboho baabi kura de eho abua asat now ye nya hwe wo ho eti de wado aburo no kura me bona ba so pa
I see na Kojo Bajima de no we one a acting national sports or one acting national sports one on boss me papa ba kunu feel me hu de o de na be show no de ba Kojo Bajima na mu so ye chairman what utie de kola ne kan o si papa no po obo na baso
o si obo na ba do de o
di adu bro
cause to be no wo mu no
anya hon ye friend asase ba
one park na
really wow Nkoko Stadium adani abrufu Nkoko Stadium na we no me nua Bella Samoa say man nyame wanwan na me musa say assembly ni wen na schools for no so mo ho opinion leaders nso asem te sen
ma menka school na asem no kaka se ehwe ansa na ebewura stadium ni mu
obekọ so ba ma menfa branti ma che
eja
na o kasa free
mesu kasa free Koforia FM
Isaac etiu
ha na stadium issue ni dia mesu Koforia Sports Stadium nka ba hwe first na ye dua bode banche ya yefu ankasa wom ehọ na na ekotreni anope bi ha ya yefu ankasa wom a yetwa so aduane di na nsia na o ma be class o mo ye spectators sitting wing and o mo ye also nti eja Ghana na de ekoso ni de yesrema mo ye bibi fa stadium so no ho ma me si ye dua bode banche efu ankasa wo enye small one a stadium no song a chiro na a very big land kwana ko ye dia body ni banche pa ye fo wumpa
okay mami ndo wase okay mami ndo wase edi asempa ni na ni o ma bi edi e boni sei wow
yenyi ekromfo yenyi binum season komo
but mentias yes area de brand because ono na e kwai no abedu e bro mentias you
o man say obi afre fun kokko
o say yes obedu e bro
na ho ye kwa forest park awaya forest de na ko ye maize farm anko no yi ebrofu anko no yi tidam na worka
na oji tubza
say park ye mfandu e bro ame de menji ntum but ehwe tibi o wo mi say sia na wadwum no anka baby atibi o wo msisi na o yesim de nga obeye forest obi ka chem de ndua na wobui no edibi your log obeye
ndua no
ma wobui wo park no ma
eti manua ni bubu wo
woze edua ebru no
nti sese no se osubu obi a hwan na ebetim de abo no
na esi ma ise nyim de sports ministry wo sisi stadium mini stadium
me o sisi mini
asama nkokwo fo kan wasi dey say anka wodi say da stadium no ma ho na
nke be
o better sen do obesi fufuru we inem
really
the prime minister no say oro koto nti pede yen nizin komo no say oro koto nti yen san kan the frame see
Kwajo Mensa Brampa we di anope wan fast mpa na breme because eye asefem yate agudie wan kase yate won faso azoman yeni mon faso
yate asanka yemfa sports stadium in Duebro.
Well mame kwa umano so na quickly yene enua bema ose usu bempa o no ba agudie mu a wa bin yi pa se ose mu nyina ye nhwe han besi ne Nkoko Sports Stadium adane ebrufu. Ose me mo achi na me ka cho se we de mo homoden. Se Nkoko Sports Stadium nyina ma ye hwe han na adane ebrufu. O ya we.
Omanhene ma mencha na mencha tifo. Me ka se me nya we the call what you last time I call in 1999 20 years ni. Na ye FA Cup match Kotokoni Olympics. Tabe omukobo match no one kind because omukobo nkoko because now they prepare for African Cup populations to can 2000. You know musi esi akra ni Kumasi Stadium. In the FA Cup semi-final me kai Kotokoni Olympics. Na me yeji mo GBC na mko cover match no ekoye commentary television commentary. Inti hono mo ball sama that was the last time I'm a fan Koko Stadium. If you want to go enter premier no muntino ama nipa do no ensedanko but it does not mean say more football.
I see. Not just 20 years back, no. Na ahojina na naso pampe as bia esi akan.
Oh my name, so what you said 20 years ago, say yi Accra ni Kumasi, so far no. Stadium and near one year to international matches, and kan ni Kumasi. And to some extent Obuasi. And he say more FA Cup semi-final, ewo Kumasi and kan de Konko. Not just Konko Stadium no. So the edin more at least at the time no. A good enough a bit now ball competition Kotoko any Olympics ebo Nkoko any match ketwa Olympic supporters do sit Kotoko Olympics not 20 years ago Olympics are making now Kotoko Nkoko ni Kumasi 1 hour you part do be free honum abba It was a very big crowd. Mekane Kotoko former chairman SS Apia Ebreso. If you can die in Kotoko J Cap no finance no Kotoko shout you, no shout you 1-0 one kind. And Koko Stadium was that big. Now in this stadium, stadium was a host 2 big matches because of Kwadi back on Mania or African Cup and it or more international competitions in the order. Sabre no more bar, Wafu Cup, say Mekai, Major Liba Mali, Jib Rocks, Adventures Beats, affect most unborn and kind. But now, it's good enough, at least by a standard, no, it may host 2 big matches. It hosts 2 hours, Nekotokodia. It can host anything, Ghana.
Now, probably after 20 years, or my no na yesuni buying akoshe baby basa, and I said, Obia Timenia Kukudro. Say o mine bo ho kase hwe sa mia we sumai na mum yenya kokudro se ade eya pomutene ne enmunyam hye ne sika ene adwuma bre o mine no ye be pese ye obeda ne kwaye na ye kwaye ne kura fiu asade abeye ene abrufu what's happening?
What me tell story to confirm say no pay o mano friend na me na ne say sabi ben kan say ukona pentia ase da ho a no akobia unwia na so akosi da also na mom se ujeje o meja pade ma ne ko se dia ye ya sa na beba ne ko tamale etena na otwi mienu na mo tamale in fact me ko tamala chepa me ko ye health conference bi on Christian Association of Ghana na me ye pon programs ne ba ko me so na me fe kru because na me hu stadium ne da apart from TV so ti me ye se me fe kru na ko tamale stadium said stadium ninche baby a ball a group any said yes ya stadium na sawra no stadium is here said they fi do at next same enya mo wan say nkoko stadium no said enya aka ne bia na ebuti ma ho eye say enipa said the dia djuma show monsa e wo memo na when they can specifically with politicians said they do wa you bet ma pompiska ko guwa e wo the same sector now the same sector no one side they neglected wo dey yamfa Sika ya pumping into the national teams, specifically Blasters, over the years. Na a Muslim infrastructure. Oh, say we need infrastructure. We need talent media. We cannot develop. The players no do no no kwara no no omobobo ewo say the grass pitch so no na do no epra ansa no manya be 17 years. The ball no to aso bi. If the baby obobo no enye hoya mna hoya bonka enti ontimento aso nti be no onya be 18 years nyame amwa na so entiman ku school afi no na ball no we jai ontimi emobiem o dem say wo free ebuahafo hwe Sunyan Stadium Coronation Park and the more say money free kind of number of international stars every
exactly Sunyan Kromo na ankasa
players are football. Apart from that, even former international boxing champion, if you go ahead to the Sunyan Stadium city, yeah, Boboa, which means now in a walk at the back park and so. Inti, I am a for a stadium, I say, see a new quarter of maintenance. And just a responsibility on the part of leaders. Your National Sports Authority Director or your Minister for Youth and Sports or no, I feel no, their budget, a amount of sector, no, many no, a Yakugu one team. Can I say a good investment? The competition has said African Cup of Nations. So we say become past our confidence in high class of the Union. Postman, yeah, said what the young at home, what they are going to home. Oh, both competition. What shall take it? I'm a supporter. From the first day to the final. And now we are a more group match for any. The ball tournament in a bit in our team, you don't understand no more. Not Ghana free move. They're about 19 days ahead. Not Ghana will feel because you are more half of the tournament in a film. You're both group stage, next match in a film. Second round of 16. Your players never get change. Supporters next now hook of him. See a ball tournament in Algeria need Senegal for winning or more finals. No, almost supporters own players. We're not gonna play supporters other sort Egypt. No, mine a ball mocha. Young Kotia ministry spokesperson say man go for no back. That's the moment now. See a cofa the emergency program near Joma, see a cofa, a high play Joma. Then walk crowd bed match and so on better. No, I can't say for Mungo. Nigeria want a static supported mobilization. I was as far as I know. Dr. Christian Okehi, Sabeno University lecturer, California or baby. Almost supporters union based purely on ability to affordability. Young for most supporters union, not the metal radio so start buying you 220 buying fianco. It doesn't happen anywhere. Not buying no and now so no open the DJI and Tonton Panasia corner and Famako Fenty. No, so I saw Mexico, yeah, caught 12. And then one who blast a metros for quite fast one, or they call Nigeria. Your bone to have yada. Your bone is yada, and your bone return leg, a brother, a chan, your bone return leg. Or what the thought trophy her echo of Venice and Cote d'Ivoire. You could see Algeria. Now could see Algeria, audience one. You found one call, a crew for Frosto. So I'll give a couldn't see. And you better travel there for hours. If you have a good one, maybe an enemy. I did tell you I was not part of Bobo. Where you the Bobo?
Yeah.
So, you're prioritizing Yama, and you pay get Mamma Mono. Sometimes party considerations in appointments. Yeah, made so much. I feel so sad about it. So, come here. I did say, you're share service with competence. You say, allegiance beer, a whole year of Fimicum, one of the party call, young penny power with my eczema. Here, the man show be answer, number 7. And say, the minister, it is with Nakero, a Kayabaniaba. You better call, you better call one. Now, when you got the old cotto, when you be in Katika Mamantia or Moko competition, who take you many of the other roof. And I can eat a rose for, and I can eat a beer, Unina, and a.
Hey, let's say a ambassador, the Hawaii Forestry Commission.
Okay, dear, a beba, and I can assure you as a young group will take over the place. Sure. Any power of Pro United that produce players. So we are called for an answer. A B. Antonia Bois, a Boko United.
Eh, dear
Michael
Cassia.
Michael say, I may with this Matthews, where you are a coach or Boko United. Sikia Kono, from captain and
Player Bako crowd, Baji, dear Chile Kotoko for Gino Pela Boaji.
Samir again, former Ashgold, Samir again, because back around 93 now or more transfer. Or for no produce those players. About 7 of their players are called gophers. All of them are gophers, called gophers.
Exactly.
Or Damian Puma, Alaji Bello, Stanford Owusu, Alezonko, Yamifene Krenzi, Mohamed Odum, Joba, and then when they got a goalkeeper trainer, former under 21 captain, a goalkeeper. Because Ghana J first under 21 trophy, South Korea under 20, Eko Waska, Joda Gamogo, so question Nigeria 4-1. Joba and them. Juvenile teams no under 17 no. Near you Webek, or near my Webek. We shall do Karim Mijima, your Koji 1991, your call, your Koji work up under 17. Somewhere we see, no way goalkeeper, assistant goalkeeper, Emma Omo. Actually, your Koji, even Ecuador 95, Michael Abu. It is our woman now for a now, ye guys near to Asaram. I hope sometimes we share a mega padie, the Digu baby now, you need to tackle Senny baby.
Well, is it because probably nipa so ewo mamu ye ntwe aso esefata and ye mfa nipa esefata say so mo occupy certain positions and public offices no eti na bibia ekosa na say ene ye say efini aba enti no bibia jigudi ya ntwa so na stadium kwale da say
o man what can say ni na then na otun ni everyone is the health service administrator your platform so near the classified so do ho se boye o my djuma no ye why did you so resign and then you say resignation kwa ena ye be djuna so say nipa na resign to fan ho ni dia and here there's always offense o ahon former so be obedi body me no ti here say because there's a public servant say me calculate my salary minya I me compare bo afenu die minya na me hu say dia say no me yakọ akabe di efie du ni eche ne bia me kwen fan se bia kan fie du no na makọ ahomije mu se de mra e chere retirement no se me calculate sky me nyina e fan se bia salary be increase no by 20% every year na me calculate nyina could do the next 15 years na me sa ben retire na me sika me nya no ye fan se bia 200,000 Ghana cedis na me check me mu with me we are 1 million cedis net na avia chinye se be yi me na me kofi ne nyame
yi die keke
what is the motivation say they didn't tell us me check me mu
yeah
na no pando no ma person me beduma obeduma thank you very much any person be born ne ya o fan ho abi the worst time say me teachers go bia resign why born why resign na me twa na me kuma because ya say o hwe nipa o sabe o man no ejapade abedi ni nsabu that be American Ghana idea yenni ho ka people of competence in terms of say our knowledge wa ko school we sua adwuma no onni madwuma no sani pandi will be mani member adipa yenni do no a people of friends a conscience any nipa or more integrity so what said the man ma said the akrachisem any rabasem e wa bedroom edi o man na wia ya na aweho and then American said the
yeah the besia if you say na me adma ukuada no e be hia wan kasa biu na oni mpanyimfo abetoto because anopai kojo mensa bron pa e bo mesa nkomo na mesi da bi oditro afi me hwemfonyi na eba ne nkokofo na kasa efre omudi adanse se eyempo se adane aburufu because kan na ekwaye on tie nkokofo no eyempo se
o man na dia de ne se aburufu no kwa adane no me gibi se ekwan bi so no eye why say ya da konko ye CDC mo na CDC store what you say kuma se sunwa no hwe parks na ususu ano ne ebo
exactly
kuma se sunwa ne be ene abe park yes why community center yes Adam if we call abe park after that 12 years we do na me ra e do kwasi Adam pa anase bi edo Adam pa na wo kɔ ne yes ebo as a community game ho na kotoko place wo kuma se na corner place wo kuma se na wo be hu wo mo ama pa no mu dia ko se ene sa part ne se de si community
yefesia
e wo ene ye pata patemu be bia ni ho ya hemfo so ate asase ato wo se asase we die ye tiato anye bia se be ye mfa yi de do se die kwale dia gokra o manya de dia go community sa ye tie no be bia be ko bia no e dan bia ne dan wo and the share there's no room for recreational center in social center.
All right. Yevesia ose usu bempa ye dase pa o enhunumu a odi ama nyame de chen ya ukuada ye beto asankomo we hwefse nkoma ahomte na asefem so na me ho adwiri mi anopai tie dase se odo nim dia beka Dwaso Nsem dwumadi so e dia mae well ma membra oso kodwo mensa we de bibie dia dance se wa ye adwuma papa yi pa na ye sori so no ukuada be se hia so na dia na obeka kranse na ukuada ya to enkomo we so
Mamba kainde nzame basa na wa nkoko sports stadium wa kwoti bia owom brekura ukuda e besa na atoado no se ehwa watu na jejem we be say neglect na lack of maintenance they ye be tinye yua na azibu o ye be sisi ni yi no ansa na encroachment man for storage asase no nti yame aduma ukuda e ba tuado
all right mama no wasi pi so abegina no pere wadidi
Omanhene na afina mbekwa kwezi.
Eju o breakfast den benku ana fufu ana abetie.
Benku.
Kwajo.
Omanhene.
Fantini ni won breakfast ye benku.
Abotala.
Well, the best year of the kwajo be share jabe de chai ukwada na etimi edisan come but enya